Welcome to a quick review of Token Metrics. Before we start, I've put a link in the description so you can give it a try yourself after this video. Token Metrics is an AI-powered cryptocurrency research and analytics platform designed to help investors make informed decisions in the volatile crypto market. Token Metrics uses advanced AI algorithms to analyze over 150 data points for more than 5,000 cryptocurrencies. The platform provides AI-generated ratings, buy and sell signals, and portfolio recommendations to assist both short-term traders and long-term investors. Now, in talking about the key features, the AI buy and sell signals identifies optimal times to buy and sell tokens. The AI token ratings evaluates tokens based on multiple data points for trading or investing potential. Now, the AI indices offer AI-generated crypto portfolios for various investment timeframes. It also has the AI chat, which provides an AI assistant to answer crypto-related questions and assist with research. Now, in talking about the pros, Token Metrics have a number of them. It has a comprehensive data analysis of thousands of cryptocurrencies, AI-driven insights to support decision-making. It also has a customizable analytics platform, which is great if you want to customize your dashboard. There is a regular publication of research reports and project deep dives. You also get access to expert analysis through weekly webinars and podcasts. Now, in talking about the cons, it has a relatively high pricing for premium features. We're going to be talking about pricing in a moment. Also, it may be overwhelming for beginners due to the abundance of data. And we would like to say the AI predictions, while helpful, cannot guarantee market performance. Now, when it comes to pricing, Token Metrics has 4 tiers or 4 payment plans. You could also choose to pay this yearly or monthly. But as you might have noticed, when you're paying yearly, the price is a bit less. Now, when we switch over to monthly, you can see the amount for advanced, premium, and VIP. Of course, the basic has its features, but not as much as the advanced, the premium, or the VIP. With the free version, you have access to the bull and bear market indicators, AI crypto asset ratings, and AI crypto chatbot. Now, the advanced, premium, and VIPs definitely have other features, which you might be interested in, but the prices come at $39.99 for advanced, and the premium comes at $199.99 per month. The VIP, which is only available for yearly, comes at $624.99 per month. Of course, like we mentioned earlier, if you're paying yearly, you stand a chance to have a better deal per month. Compared to the advanced for monthly, you now have about $33 per month. Now, in conclusion, we can say that Token Metrics stands out as a powerful tool for cryptocurrency investors seeking data-driven insights and AI-powered analytics. Its comprehensive feature set and regular expert analysis make it especially valuable for serious crypto traders and investors. However, the pricing may be a barrier for casual investors, and the platform's complexity might be challenging for newcomers to the crypto space.